In this video, I will give you 3 important steps to improve your IELTS band scores quickly so that you succeed and pass the next time you sit the exam. Join our premium package at www.aehelp.com for 6 full practice exams, over 100 hours of video lessons, and a fully interactive course. Again, we have partnered with Skillshare, a world-class platform that lets you learn from hundreds of skills, whether it's photography, computers, or English. Learn from Skillshare professionals. Join Skillshare today and begin learning for IELTS success. Use this coupon code to get your first 2 months for free. Join Skillshare today. Now watch and learn. The 3 most important steps to improving your IELTS band scores quickly and effectively are planning, practice, and feedback. You must have a study plan for the 4 to 6 weeks before your next exam. This means knowing what you will study each day, setting aside the time, 2 to 4 hours minimum. You should practice with online materials as well as offline materials in class or with a tutor. I have added a PDF link in the stream description to help you create your study plan. There are simply no fast tricks, shortcuts that will help you improve your score. You need to do the work. You have to focus on both improving your English, vocabulary, and grammar, as well as your communication skills. This means answering questions accurately and completely. Whether pen and paper or on the computer, you need to create a day-to-day study plan to be successful on your next IELTS exam. Now, let's talk about practice. The saying, "Practice makes perfect," holds exceptionally true for the IELTS exam. Again, there are no shortcuts and tricks to get around hard work. You have to put in the hours. The exam is created by professionals to be reliable and valid. This means it will always test your true English and communication ability. In order to move from a band 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, you have to invest at least 3 to 4 hours of concentrated practice every single day for at least 4 to 6 weeks leading up to your test. Remember, hard work bears sweet fruit. Come rain or shine, you need to do the work. If you're feeling a bit under the weather, tough it out. Read at least a few passages. If your friends are calling you to go out to the movies, say no. Instead, write a task 1, task 2 essay. Invest the time. It will be worth it in the end. Now, let's talk about the importance of feedback. It is extremely important to get feedback on your studies for the next time you sit your IELTS exam, especially for the speaking and writing sections. Improving through self-study is very slow. Just like with other skills, playing football or learning photography, the advice of professionals cannot be ignored. Professionals help you to identify your weaknesses so you can target these with effective learning skills. Take a look at this sample task 2 essay from one of our students before and after correction. Surely you will agree that there is a lot of value in identifying these mistakes and making these improvements. If you have difficulties finding help in your area, or if you do not have the funds for professional feedback, don't give up. Search for study partners who can help you with this. There are many students looking for speaking partners on our videos. As well, you might be able to do a language exchange online or offer exchanging another skill like mathematics or physics. In either case, make sure to study and seek feedback on your learning. Follow these 3 steps and you will improve your band scores quickly and effectively. Have a plan, practice, and get feedback. Good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. To get lots more help with the listening, reading, writing, and speaking sections, including over 100 hours of video lessons, a fully interactive course, and 6 original practice exams, download our app, Academic IELTS Help, and join us at aehelp.com. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch more videos. Click right here. Or click our IELTS Hero for over 100 hours of complete video lessons and 6 original practice exams to help you pass IELTS.